Oh, welcome back to the channel where today we are playing Minecraft Natural Craft Official. What's that noise? I heard something like silverfishes and spiders. It's nothing there. And now, why there's all dirt grass over there? Wow! Hello, everyone there? No, not there. I'm fine to join these and leave a comment down below. What's your favorite home? And now I see something. I can use a bow. Behind the spiders. And what is that noise now? Whoa! It's just a cabin house.
You have the key around your
Yeah. Whoa! This lava. A torch. A torch. From a railway factory is perfectly done, like, whoa.
Don't forget to take up your torches when you're going back.
I'm going to leave. Whoa. Whoa! Really? Oh! There's my bonus score ever.
There are cobwebs everywhere.
And leave a comment down below. What's your favorite cobweb hobby? I'm stuck. Come on, I can do it myself. Oh, I need to.
Don't forget to take back your torches on your way back. Hey, put out your torch. Didn't you hear what the girl said? Out the torch.
Nope, not here. Let's drop in first. See? Wow! Yes. These you've heard.
Please
Whoa.
pray that you don't see any spiders, okay?
Okay. Join Kawaii Mayor at Minecraft today.
No, Kawaii Mayor is just commentating or helping. Unfortunately, my Minecraft disappeared, and the credit card is being used up. So yeah, we can play Minecraft.
Whoa!
Ew.
Huh?
Is this place
What's this
haunted?
noise? What's that noise? Go to the other side.
We have to. Oh no!
There.
What's happening?
What's wrong there? Something went. What's wrong here now?
What's happening?
Whoa! I couldn't fix the railway and let's build a cart. Whoa! The ability. Build. I will beat by 3. And now. Under beside the world. Oh, hi there. I can fix you up there. And now we're 2. Whoa! Oh no! Get trapped up there. Let's escape. Oh, I buried. Where's my? Oh. Why are you stuck out there? And bikes. Oh. Let's set our favorite. Wait, I have an idea to craft. The harsh. Making Oh.
Yes.
A gold nugget that's like I can be my best ever. Whoa! Alright, let's this too hard. Back to peace. Oh, sorry. Whoa! I hurry to levels and whoa! Let's go on a reel together. I can use the ender eye and the ender portal. Chop chop. What? Hear the musical eyes. What? I can make an end foil and write a story. And now okay, that was it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more. And thank you guys so much for watching. And now we'll see you all in the next natural video. Bye.